Okay, well, first of all, there are philosophical questions here. I'm going to let the philosophers and, more importantly, the voters sort out. In the debate, though, we are hearing people say that masks are counterproductive and they even make you sick. And those are things we can check.
We are supposed to be physically distancing, wearing masks, and so all of our medical...
Anger and confusion about masks. It's understandable in the sense that the change in advice gave us all a little whiplash. Here's a biology professor in March.
It's really a bit of a panic move.
And the same professor in early May.
Don't touch your face. You could still wear a mask just in case you are in close proximity with another individual.
What happened? Well, it's a brand new disease. The experts learned things.
You don't know if they're asymptomatic individuals. So if you're just measuring by fever, that's not going to give you a clear representation, right?
It looks like COVID spreads from people who are not sick as much as from people who are. This graph from the CDC shows on the far right the current best estimates for asymptomatic and pre-symptomatic spread. A person who never gets symptoms is estimated to be 75% as infectious as a person with symptoms. And this number means they estimate 50% of infections come from a carrier who has not yet shown any symptoms. You're just as likely, in other words, to get COVID from someone before they ever cough or get a fever as after. But can the masks themselves make us sick? Marianne Nielsen says they can, and she's protesting Provo's mandate.
People aren't washing them, kids are touching them at school. I think that they're dangerous for people to wear.
She is right in the sense that if we don't clean them, masks can make us sick. A pediatrician at Johns Hopkins Children's Hospital did this Q&A. The myth, wearing a cloth mask will make me sick because mold will build up in it. The answer? You should wash your cloth mask with soap and water after you're done using it for the day. It should be completely dry before you use it again. Clean, dry masks will not develop mold or make you sick.
And you'll notice when you hear the public health experts, the epidemiologists, they do tend to sound cautious about masks. But listen closely because you will hear them worry that we're getting too comfortable because of masks. We're comfortable in crowds, and physical distancing is actually still the most effective defense. Live in the newsroom, Max Roth, Fox 13 News.